Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice is using too much CPU, causing your computer to slow down, or making the cooling fan run constantly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to reduce high CPU usage in OnlyOffice. First, close OnlyOffice completely and restart your computer. Temporary system glitches can sometimes cause excessive CPU usage. Next, close apps you don't need. Yeah, too many background programs can increase overall CPU load and affect OnlyOffice performance. If you're working with very large files, try splitting them into smaller documents. Complex documents can consume more processing power. Turn off plugins you don't regularly use, so some plugins can increase CPU usage in the background. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. If hardware acceleration is enabled, try turning it off. Yeah, graphics-related problems can sometimes lead to higher CPU usage. Removing temporary files may also help. Corrupted cache data can sometimes affect performance. Outdated graphics drivers can contribute to performance issues. Installing the latest drivers may reduce CPU usage. Malware or unwanted software can increase CPU usage. So running a full security scan is a good idea. If high CPU usage continues, reinstall OnlyOffice completely. Yeah, a fresh installation can repair damaged program files. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional help. They may be able to identify deeper software or compatibility issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice high CPU usage problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.